Hi, welcome to my channel. So in the next 3 minutes, I will walk you through our final project, analysis of the COVID-19 impacts on the U.S. economy. So what is our motivation and what brings us to the topic? So we all know that when COVID hit U.S. in the 2019, it triggered an economic downturn. It has caused job losses, fluctuations in the financial markets, and changes in the Federal Reserve money policies. We want to know the internal relationship of these changes and how they evolve in time. First, we do our visualization. Our visualization includes the unemployment rate before COVID and during COVID in 50 states of the U.S. We found that lots of states suffered severe impacts, including California, Washington, Northeast, and the Great Lakes areas. This map was created by the folio packages in Python, and we also visualized the unemployment by sectors, and we found that the retail sectors got the least impact, while the leisure and the hospitality had the worst. We also visualized the stock indexes and the COVID cases, and we found that most stock indexes grow as the COVID infected cases increased. To better visualize these topics, we built a user interactive web platform through Tableau. So when the user clicks on the checkbox and the slide bar, he or she can specify a date or the particular stock indexes she wants to visualize, and we can also visualize the unemployment rate by states in any given day. So and the second part is we did a statistic analysis. We used the Nasdaq index as our outcome variables, and we try to and our independent variables starts with unemployment rate of each sector, the COVID data, and the treasury purchases. First, we applied the lasso regression as a future selection method, and which leave us with 10 independent variables. So the VIX employment rate of the professional and the retail sector and interest rates are significant, while all other employment rates have no significant influence on the stock index. The conclusion is that the lower unemployment rates did not indicate an economic recession, but it coexists with the stock rises in the period. And then we did the rate regression and the random forest regression. Before doing the two regression, we did we tested the correlation between the variables. We removed the any correlation higher than 0.8, and also remove some variables that cause the multicollinear problems. This leaves us eventually with 6 independent variables, and we can see the COVID cases is the strongest correlated with the stock index. The two models are not very good because the testing score was respectively the -22 and the -12, so indicating the model has a high bias. We then trained the third model, which is the time series model ARIMA, and then we train this model with parameters P, Q, and D. Then we choose the one with the lowest AIC value, in which P equals 0, D equals 1, and Q equals 2. This model was proved to be a good one, because the model residuals follow natural distributions, and our predicted data is very, very close to the observed ones. So if we compare the mean absolute error and the mean squared error, we found that the ARIMA model gives us the slightest in comparison. So it's the time series model is the best to do prediction. So in conclusion, the regression models actually rule out the unemployment rate of the financial sectors as independent variables. We found that the financial industries tend to thrive, even though with the COVID cases increases. So the unit part in our study is we managed to connect the COVID cases and the stock market, which the previous study did not show that. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.